wind chimes in a weeping willow. Biscuits light as feather pillows at Mama's house. Sunday morning kids are squirming. Thank the preacher for the sermon as you're walking out. Sweet old-fashioned goodness. Old man comes out and pumps your gas, tells a joke while he cleans your glass and says, "Thank you, friend." Grab a cup of sugar from your neighbor. On a roll made the morning paper, cut it out again. Sweet old-fashioned goodness. We don't need no bureaucrats, no scientists or diplomats to help us figure out what this world needs. Just sweet old-fashioned goodness. He says, "Have you met my young bride? We got married back in '49. She ain't changed at all. There's a nervous boy on the front porch waiting while the daddy of the girl he's been dating lays down the law."